Thank you for watching. This is Doug's Opera Classics. My name's Doug. So today I'm at the AVO Car Show 26 at Hatton Country World, organised by the AVO Club. So look, you've got to, if you have had a chance to look at the channel, you're going to see a few videos of this show, but it's such a great opportunity to see these amazing machines all in one place. So I'm just going to do another sweep of the meet, just in case you haven't seen the other videos. I say there's some other videos of the individual cars already, hopefully already loaded by the time you watch this one. So as I've said on the previous ones, I don't keep saying the same thing, but if you get a chance to come next year, if you've not been able to make it this year, or if you like AVO cars, believe me, this is the place to be. So they're organised in sections, as you've probably already gathered. This is the RS2000 section. There's some immense cars here. I don't want to get in anyone's way while I'm filming, but here you go. Look at that one, Cosworth powered. That's beautiful. In the overflow car park, the normal car park, again, brilliant cars. I'll show you the Mexico section again if you've not managed to see it on the other one. Beautiful cars here. It's astounding, really. It always surprises me, any event like this, where you go to, I don't know, a normal, I'll say normal, but just a generic car meet, which are absolutely brilliant. You maybe see 2 or 3 Mk1 escorts, and absolutely, look, I know this is the AVO Club meet, so obviously there's going to be loads here, but to see them all in one place like this, all like survivor cars, is just an absolute treat. There you go, Mexico section here. Beautiful modern green one there. And the best thing is, for me, they've all driven here, haven't they? They're all out there being used. So I've spoken to a few people here. I just one with the good seats. There's the cars range from generally pretty standard cars, just real true survivor cars, not restored, to cars that have been completely restored, to like the most amazing standard, to cars that have been heavily modified. The Cosworth powered one is probably a good example of that. There's rally cars here. I was speaking to someone earlier who's got a very competitive rally car. There's lots of cars with the Lakes Tours plaque in them, which I think is absolutely amazing. That someone's got a confidence, well, lots of people have got the confidence to do the Lakes Tour car meet in their car. Absolutely brilliant. And the trade stands, and not forgetting the AVO Club stall where they've got the raffle, get all your t-shirts, hats and stuff, and the car park. What an absolutely brilliant way to spend a day. Right, thanks for watching. I've loaded up, I intend to load up a lot of videos about this meat because it's so good. I've broken it down into the RS2000 section, the Mexico section, the RS1600 section, the twin cam section as well. So yeah, if any of those are particularly of your interest, I have broken them down for you so you don't need to watch the whole thing. But what an honour it is to see all these cars. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, if you could do that, that'd be amazing. Share the channel with anyone who you think may be interested. And what I keep on meaning to say is that if you're local to Essex, which I know this isn't Essex, but if you are local to Essex and you'd be good enough to let me just come out for a little drive as a passenger in your car, I would love that. So if you see me at a meet, yeah, please let me know. I would be all over that. Yeah, okay, look, I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Take care, happy motoring, thank you.